How to reduce the noise in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Click and select and highlight your video. If you want to reduce the image noise on this, select and highlight, make sure it's selected, and then scroll to the right. See the option video quality, next filters and adjust. Click the second option which says reduce image noise, Capcut Pro feature, but basically right here it's set to none. Take this and scroll this to the right, set to weak, it's set to strong. Mobile will do its thing by reducing the image noise and applying this feature on your video clip or footage. And once you're happy or satisfied, you can click the checkmark icon on the bottom right hand screen. Now the image noise has been successfully reduced in Capcut Mobile completely for free.